Today we're going to look at bringing a background image and getting the skill set correctly on a one-to-one level. So first what we're going to do is to insert an image, click the insert tab, and there is the image button, and then we're going to load up the floor plan image in Revit. I'm just going to put it right here. And as you would notice that when you scan an image, that doesn't mean at all that the raster image is going to come into Revit and to scale itself automatically. In fact, I would say most of the chances it's not going to be at scale. So let's just take a quick test. Can show something like this double door here. Let's measure it and see. So it says it's a 12 feet 9 inches opening, which is clearly possible, but I'm pretty sure that was not the intent of this particular drawing, because as you can see here, there are dimensions on this drawing, and it says it's a 6 feet opening. So clearly the scale is not right. And the technique I'm about to show you almost works just about anything, whether it's in imported CAD files or different images in elevations or site plans, almost like anything. And to scale it in a correct way, we want to take a longer dimension, such as this 25 feet 2 inches wall here, and we're just gonna pick this wall. And the first thing that we're gonna do is go to the annotate tab, and you see the detail line here. We're just gonna use the standard line type, and we're going to draw it out to out. And you will notice that the line is going up to perpendicular. Then we're gonna copy it and move it to 25 feet 2 inches. Get a 1 at the end. And then it's very important that when you scale it, you need to click this image first and then hit the scale button. And it will lead you to the out to out point. And then the first thing we're going to do is to click the out to out first, and then click right here. And you will see it already scaled to the 1-to-1 level. Let's test it first. Yeah, it's 25 feet and 2 inches right now. So this is how to scale an image in Revit. Thank you for watching.